Yeah, mate. Oh, you want that? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's start it.
Gonna take the ZX6 for a run.
Beauty. Oh. Oh. That's the bike, man. Ah. Don't complain, guys. This is the way I jump on the motorbike. Okay. Let me spin the bike first and then I will talk about it. Beautiful. Yeah, good. Ah. Oh. This bike look incredible from the rear. Beautiful machine. So good, man. Incredible. Okay, let's start it. This is the time for fun, guys. Woo! Brakes are perfect. Incredible bike. She will go there where you want to go. Where he going? Fucking beauty, mate. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, mate. Oh, you want that? Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You can't beat this, mate. No way. Absolutely beautiful, man. Beautiful control. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. I was a bit overspeed over here because I'm not really used to. Ah, good control. Very good control. A beautiful machine, nice brakes, the power on the motor, you guys saw that. Incredible machine, man. So these are the machine mostly made for the tracks. Under control, man.
Oh, yeah,
I was going out of control. But the thing is, she was under control, man.
It was, yeah.
Otherwise,
Right, boy.
yeah, because I'm not used to these things. Otherwise, they can go out of road and bang with the vehicle.
Yeah, what is in there?
Yeah. Beautiful machine, man. Oh, good bike. Fucking beauty.
Happy says he was under control.
Under control, mate. No problem. No doubt. I rode this one other day and it was feel me a little bit happy because it's a big machine.
Yeah.
It would be heavy, and I think my weight is around 80 kilogram, 84. This machine is perfect for me.
Yeah.
I don't need so big
That,
if I have more experience. Yeah.
They're all too much.
Yeah, that's the real machine. These are the real machine.
Yeah.
Oh, the control are so good, man. Very good control. What's up, man? How's it
Hey
going?
mate, yeah, awesome. Just had a little bit of a run on a couple of the bikes. Got the ZX636 sitting here. Old mate on his trumpet. Yeah, this is a really good sports bike, without a doubt. It's just nimble and fun, and hasn't got that big kick in the ass power where you go, holy shit. But such a smooth power line, and the whole setup of the bike is awesome with these Showa separate function forks, backed up with the Nissan brakes and so on there. Is a really good combination.
Beautiful.
This one's got the Akrapovic slip-on, which I showed you there before.
Beautiful
So,
machine.
Yeah, no.
The brakes, suspension, and the motor and the controls, they work perfect.
Look, this is stock standard as well. We haven't
Yeah.
done anything to the suspension. When I get on a bike, I don't dick around with it too much. I just jump on them straight out of the crate, take them for a run. I'm no bloody gun rider, I just like having some fun. But it feels really good. I'm 120 kilo.
Yeah.
What's that in stone? About 22 stone or something. Something like that anyway.
Yeah.
You know, my sheer size is a bit, I move around a lot on these bikes, but mate, I can get them in and they're just awesome. Oh, we're
Yeah.
talking about this one, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did the test ride on the 636. Beautiful machine. I never ride these things too much because I'm the classic person. I like the adventure bikes, but the control on these things is so amazing. On the turning, we test.
We're riding these all the time.
I really did used to ride those things because I'm gonna do the test ride on the ZX-10R. So I learned a little bit from here within a couple of minutes.
Yeah, mate. If you have a look at mine, I'll have it up. I was following Happy. I was on the 10, he was on the 636. Watch Happy.
On the little
just
twist,
about shit himself.
the bike was going to out of control, but it was getting in the control because the suspension and brakes they work perfect. They're not bumpy. When you pull the brake, they will sit where you want.
Oh, shit.
They're not bumping like many other bikes. Like when you pull the brake and you're not closing the clutch, it works perfect.
It's a lot to do with the suspension on those as well.
Yeah, perfect
It soaks it
suspension.
nicely.
Really good bike.
Got these Showa separate function forks. Smick as.
Yeah.
But look, you know, we've all seen the write-ups. We've read 50,000 reviews on them. They're a great sports
Great
bike,
machine. Great
without
machine.
a doubt.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. These guys have got your separate power modes and your traction control. Power modes I don't get off on. I think, why would you buy a bike and
Yeah,
go, hey,
just
let's put
go-
it down on
yeah,
a 3/4
yeah.
power for something to do.
Yeah.
Like,
It's not a big difference in the full power and the low power. It's
just-
a little bit small mathematics. And if you're gonna start a bike, just start from the low settings.
start flat out.
Yeah.
just flat out.
Alright.
It just stops that power on the top end. So if it's wet or something and you don't want to get that
Yeah.
full power on, it'll hopefully not stop it spinning up, but if you're not too good, it'll stop that from happening. But
It's all good.
Definite cool bike. They all run a cable clutch still. Somebody asked us about that, mate. That works.
Perfect.
Cable clutch is fine, gives a really good feel.
Yeah. The
They got your slipper clutch assist on them anyway, so it's light as. If you can't pull the clutch in with a cable, you shouldn't be riding bikes, mate. Pretty simple.